Okay guys, we are working in the garage today. We're working on the XR650L. We actually just bought these racks from DirtRacks and we're going to install them. This is the actual upper rack here. Should bolt in like that. And then we got the two side racks right here that we're going to put on. We're going to run two Wolfman saddlebags, soft bags on these. I used to have an old rack system on this, was terrible. So these ones are actually pretty good quality, very sturdy, heavy duty. So I'm looking forward to installing this. So I'm not going to show you how to install it. I'm just going to show you what it looks like after. But just overall, these are really nice racks. So I'm going to put these on and let's have a look after. All right, one flaw that I see with this rack system so far is if you have your seat off and you install it, you're unable to put your seat back on. You have to take this rack off. So I was working on my car, but I had to pull the seat off. Should have put the seat back on, but the downfall to this, it doesn't matter. Anytime you need to put your seat on or take it off, you have to remove this top rack, which is kind of stupid. It's a stupid design. So it won't fit because what happens is, in order for this lip right here, this one right here, to come up underneath in here, there's not enough room to push it. This rack gets in the way. So we don't have any type of play to push it back in because it gets stuck right in here. So I just installed this. Now I have to take it back out, put the seat back on, make sure everything's locked in, reinstall it. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, we just got finished with the install. This is what the dirt rack looks like with the top rack and the side racks. It's pretty clean. I think overall they're nice racks. There's a few things I would have done differently if I was DirtRacks. Basically, one thing, as I mentioned before, is if you have to remove the seat, you have to rip out this top rack, and basically the side racks connect to the top rack. So that's kind of a pain, but it is what it is. Another thing I would recommend is for them to fabricate a bar that basically houses the blinkers. This way you could eliminate this piece here and it would all be one piece and you could basically be integrated. So basically have this hole here and a bar that comes out that'll house the actual blinkers. I'm running stock, some people run flush, but that would be a nice add-on or design. Overall, for 300 bucks, I'm in California. It's not too bad. This is what the bike looks like from the side. This is 2017 XR650L. Actually, this is the 2016. Sorry, I said 2017. The Africa Twin is 2017. I get these two bikes mixed up. So garage is a mess. Africa Twin is being neglected. I need to get this out. Black Crow is done. I just actually put this new Black Widow on here, so I do have to go in and jet the carburetor, and we got something back there too that we'll be working on soon. I'm still trying to get the KTM 990 going. Garage is a complete mess, but I wanted to focus on these racks. I actually like them. They look great. They make the bike look good. So we'll see how they act on the trail. Overall, it's pretty sturdy. I would recommend, you know, for under 300 bucks, racking system. I'm going to run some Wolfman soft bags on here. So we will see. I did put some Loctite on these bolts so they don't fall off. But there it is. All right. XR650L dirt rack, side racks, and top rack. They do provide hardware and bolts. These are the old bolts. I usually just mark them and put them to the side so I know where the bolts came from. I'll put it in the XR650L bin. But there it is. Overall, my thoughts on this, it's not a bad rack system. For under 300 bucks, you can't go wrong. So we are adding the DirtRacks sticker to all of the other stickers. So appreciate you watching. Oh, another thing I would recommend is it doesn't come with any installation instructions. So if they do have them, I would recommend printing them out and throwing them in the box when you when they ship these out. However, the installation is not rocket science. You could figure this out. All right. Appreciate you watching.